Hi, let me show you how to choose which apps send notifications on iPhone. And firstly, we need to go in Settings. Here, pick General and find Background App Refresh section. So that is important that you select it to enable Background App Refresh for apps from which you want to receive notifications. You can tap on this section and select to refresh background activity over Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, you can turn it off, but in that case, you won't be able to refresh your apps in the background, so you won't be able to receive all of the latest news notifications quickly. So make sure to enable one of those two options and make sure that you toggle on the switch near the app you want to receive notifications from. For example, Instagram, Messenger, and so on. Not needed apps you can disable here and it won't delete anything. You'll just disable them in the list and this may preserve battery life. So after that, go back in Settings and find Notifications. Now find app from which you want to receive notifications. For example, let's find Spotify and make sure that notifications are allowed. Make sure that here you selected three options: banners, notification center, and lock screen. Also, as a banner style, you can pick persistent if you don't want to miss banners, so they will stay here until you will swipe them up to close. Here, make sure that sound and badges are turned on, so you won't miss anything important. Then you can go in show previews, and now it's up to you. So you can pick always and be able to always see the content of the message, or when device is unlocked, or never. And here in notification grouping, pick automatic. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.